The AquaSense Pro Pool Robot offers an innovative 5-in-1 cleaning system that takes care of water clarification, skimming, and cleaning the pool's floor, walls, and waterline. This pool robot utilizes a revolutionary automatic clarifying technology that dispenses a powerful, eco-friendly solution to maintain crystal clear water. Featuring a unique dual propeller design, it is the first pool cleaning robot capable of effectively cleaning both the water surface and submerged areas, capturing debris like leaves and branches. The AquaSense Pro is equipped with a smart return feature and surface parking, allowing it to automatically surface and park above the waterline after cleaning or when the battery is low. Its wireless charging dock ensures safer and smarter charging with a design that prevents water damage and fire risks, making it easy to use and store. Powered by a robust battery and an intelligent navigation system, this pool robot provides extended cleaning time and comprehensive coverage for pools up to 3,299 square feet.